WhatsApp is about to enable a new feature that is within chats. It is the ability to pin messages within conversations. This is something that could already be done in Telegram and has been reported by the site WA Beta Info. So it is being tested only in the beta version, and later, within a few days or weeks, it will become available to all users. It is very simple. You just select the message, and then in the options menu appears the set option, and it will let you set the message for 24 hours, 7 days, or up to 30 days. It seems that this option of pinned messages will only be available within groups, but this could change when it is finally implemented for all users. So let's keep an eye out for when this feature arrives globally. As for now, it is exclusively for those who have WhatsApp version 2.23.21.4 for Android. Obviously, it will not be an exclusive feature for Android, but will also arrive for iOS and other platforms where WhatsApp is available.